YouTube, it's Nikki from Nikki Lilly. So today I'm here with my dad.
Hello everybody.
This is my dad George. You may have seen him in some vlogs and I mean you've done some videos with mum, haven't you?
Yeah, I've done a few with mum.
There's going to be one coming up with mum as well.
Oh yes, definitely.
So today, Dad, you don't know what video we're doing, do you?
I have no idea what we're going to do tonight. I'm a bit worried actually.
I didn't want to tell him what we were doing, but as you can see there's makeup laid out in front of you.
Yeah.
So can you take a lucky guess?
Oh dear. You're going to do my makeup?
No, I'm around.
I'm going to do your makeup?
Yeah, you're going to do my makeup.
Oh my god.
My most viewed video is my one where my brother does my makeup, my brother Alex, and it went horrendously because he had no idea what he was doing, but it's got over 7 million views.
I don't think I'm going to do any better.
I don't think you can do worse though than Alex, because Alex's was so bad.
No,
like so bad.
I think I probably can, but I'll do my best. I'll do my best.
I've laid out like a couple options of each thing, so a couple of highlighters, a couple of lipstick colours, some quite fun colours, a couple of palettes. So my dad's got a lot of choice and all of the brushes that he could ever need. So this is going to be quite fun.
Oh dear.
I'm not giving you any guidance, okay?
No guidance at all.
Fair and square.
I don't know a lipstick from eyeliner, to be honest with you. So
oh, God.
I'm gonna have a few problems here. What does that mean? The only tart I know is like a jam tart. Okay, so I presume that I have to do something with this.
So you need to use something. You're gonna use this brush. It's gonna use this brush, fluffy big brush.
I'm gonna use a fluffy brush, and it's an airbrush. Fond de Teint Fini Naturel 55 Pro.
Acting like you know French.
This is the one. Perfect.
Oh god, I'm scared. I'm actually scared.
Perfect. Here we go.
Your facial expressions are so funny.
Oh dear. Well, I'm putting undercoat on now, like a paint.
Undercoat?
Yeah.
What's an undercoat?
It's like you're doing, you know when you're painting a wall, yeah, you put undercoat on, and I think this is like an undercoat.
So you're saying that my face is a wall?
No, but you've got a lovely face, but you know, it needs an undercoat, doesn't it? All makeup begins with
an undercoat.
An undercoat, doesn't it?
According to Daddy.
Yeah. Oh, that's good. Hold on, a bit more on your nose. A bit more over here, a bit more over here, a bit more over here, a bit more here. There we go.
On yourself.
That's fantastic. So, thank you very much. Tarte or Tarte Primer. Rejuvenate Hydration. No, I don't think so. We've got here
Too Faced Candlelight Glow.
Too Faced Candlelight Glow. We'll do this one.
It looks really cool on the inside.
Oh, that looks really nice. Look, you've got two tones there.
Yeah, and it's a chandelier.
Yeah, anyway, it's got two tones here. It's got really good. Okay.
Sorry, this is your video.
It's my video. Hi, YouTube, it's George from George
Christie.
George Christie. Okay, here we go. Now.
You have to say, hi YouTube, it's George from George Christie.
I've done that already. Anyway, here we go.
So what are you going to do with this, Dad?
This is an undercoat, but...
Another undercoat?
Yeah, this is like a undercoat. No. This is an overcoat.
Oh my god.
This is an overcoat. Here we go.
How am I looking?
Yeah, absolutely gorgeous though.
Yeah?
Absolutely gorgeous. A bit more here. A bit more here. A bit more here. One more here. This is fantastic. We've used the white side. The white side. Now I'm going to use the other side.
The pink side.
The pink side. So
what are you going to do with the pink side, Dad?
I think I'm going to put it a little bit on your cheeks, I think.
So you're going to use it as a blusher?
No, I don't know what that means, but I'm going to put a little bit on your cheeks.
Oh my gosh.
I thought blushing was when you went red. Okay.
Exactly, so that's why they call blusher.
Anyway, I'm concentrating, thank you. This is my video, not your video today.
Oh, sorry. Second degree didn't even know we were doing a video.
I've taken over. Superb. I'm getting into this now.
From what I can see,
excellent.
I look the exact same.
Excellent. I'm using this because it best describes me. Iconic.
Oh, God. Right, and look. You're getting annoyed that I'm showing that.
That's good.
And then that's it on the inside, so it's for contouring.
Yep,
Dad, do you know what contouring means?
Contouring. It's when you contour something, isn't it?
Great job.
There you go. I'll contour you, okay?
It's so hard for me not to say anything.
No, what it does, what this does, it kind of brings out your eyes.
Oh really? This brown colour brings out my brown eyes?
It just brings out the contours of your eyes.
Can I see or no?
No, you can't see.
Oh.
Now, here we go. That was an excellent one. Really, really enjoyed that. Now, here we go. What we've got here, we've used the iconic, and I want something for the top of your eyes.
You mean my eyelids? You've got that one and this one, Dad.
Ditch Juvia's place for now,
and
I'm going to go with
gingerbread
spice because I like the sound of gumdrop.
What?
Gumdrop.
Oh, it's the colour. I was so confused. I was like, what?
This is gumdrop.
This pinky one.
It's a pinky one. It's very nice. We will just contour this slightly above the eyelid just to bring in and enhance the features of the nose. I'm wasted. This
Makeup Picasso.
This is absolutely unbelievable what I'm doing here. I'm actually sticking my little pinky up here while I'm doing it, as you can see. And I'm going like this. That is amazing, honestly.
Oh my gosh.
Beautiful, beautiful look, beautiful, darling. Okay, Hot Toddy.
Is this pink shimmery one?
Is the pink shimmery one. It looks really nice.
Yeah.
It's next to Figgy Pudding. I like that name as well, but I'm not going to use that Figgy Pudding because
it doesn't go with that look.
No, I think it doesn't go with the look. So I'm going to use a little bit of Hot Toddy, which again emphasises the side of the face. And then what I'll do is I'm just going to use this Hot Toddy just a little bit on the side of your nose here, just to contour and enhance here. A bit there and a bit there.
I think you might be worse than Alex.
Let me see. That's gorgeous, gorgeous. I think we're fine there. Bye bye gingerbread man. It's very natural now. I mean, Nikki could go out now and
out on the town.
Out shopping, and nobody would know that she's wearing any makeup because it's very subtle.
Yeah.
Don't you think?
Yeah.
And that's what I'm trying to get.
Convey. Yeah.
I'm gonna. Excuse me. It's my video, not your video. It's my video. What I'm trying to convey is that a little bit of au naturel.
All right.
Okay.
Chop chop. This is by Lancôme.
This is by Lancôme, and what it is, it's a round little case. And
thank you for
it's
that.
got nothing. Oh, okay. Hold on a second. It's got something in it, and
a pink sponge.
Oh.
Why are you smelling it?
When you open it up, it looks like Mickey Mouse.
Oh yeah, it does.
So there you go. I'm trying to go for the pinks, if you can imagine.
A pink subtle look.
Yeah, like a pink, like a. Well, it's a summery. It's not summer really, but.
I mean, it's winter now. Winter,
kind of,
autumn.
Yeah, stroke effect. Let me have a look at that. Gorgeous. And just put a little bit there. That's fine.
Yeah.
Yep. Very good.
Happy with that?
Very happy with that. And now I'm going for a NYX
whipped fondant.
Fond de teint. Very nice.
This is a whipped blusher.
It's a whipped blusher. I'm going to put this. Oh, I don't know what I'm going to do with this actually. Let me just have a look. I might just do a little.
You're doing a heart, aren't you?
Heart, yeah.
I can feel it.
We have a look. That is gorgeous. Okay, well that's good. This is a highlighter and it's called Cover FX. FX. What you do is you colour and it affects the face. Okay, so then what are you going to do with this? It's like an eye drop. Hold on.
I put it in there to throw you off.
Oh, have you? Okay, well it's definitely throwing me off. Okay, so hold on.
You're really concentrating. Some nose highlight, yeah.
Let me have a look. Unbelievable. Do you know what? I'm wasted at this. I'm totally wasted at this. This is perfect. And now I think I'm going to finish it off with some lipstick.
Yeah. We've got some nice colours here.
Oh, let's have a look.
I thought I'd do some fun colours.
We've got a Kylie Jenner Velvet Juicy Stick.
What?
Velvet Liquid Stick or something.
What is it? A Kylie Jenner Velvet Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Grape Soda. Okay,
we've got a liquid lipstick called Back in Vogue.
And this is by MAC.
By MAC.
Nice pinky colour.
The liquid, the spicy. Anyway, it's called
Spicy. And it's a nice red orangey colour.
Anastasia.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me just think.
What one are you going to go for?
Do you know what? I'm going to go for...
You could do a little combo if you wanted.
No, I'm going to go for the Kylie Jenner because I think that's really nice.
Oh yeah, this purpley colour. I do like this.
Purpley.
Bit different.
Velvet lipstick. Yeah, let's go for this one. Oh my dear. Oh dear Lord. Up you go. Oh dear.
You look concerned.
So will you be when you see this? Let's have a look. Okay, so do you just pout your lips or something? Is that what you do? Okay. I think my inspiration for this is Harley Quinn.
From Suicide Squad.
Suicide Squad.
I think we should do the reveal now. Should we do the reveal?
Yes, let's do it.
Right, Dad, could you pass me that mirror?
Okay.
I'm scared.
What do you think?
It's worse than Alex's!
I think it's absolutely gorgeous.
I mean, to be honest, you did the lips much better than Alex's. Alex made me look like the Joker, lips-wise. Okay. I look like a cat.
I think you look
gorgeous. Like a nose.
I think you could be Harley Quinn. It looks gorgeous.
Oh my gosh, Dad. It's so much worse than I thought.
I think we should go out and get a coffee now with you wearing this. Would you think?
No way.
No?
No way. But the eyeshadow and like this like random bit of highlighter on my nose is just not working.
Yeah, but I think it's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous.
Remind me not to ask you to do my makeup again.
Oh dear.
Whose makeup was better? Dad's makeup or Alex's makeup? Do the poll.
100% me. Yeah. Anyway.
I don't know whether to say thank you to you, Dad, because it's interesting.
It was unbelievable to
thank you for using your inner Picasso to do my face today.
It was fabulous. I think I did a great job, and anytime, please give me a call.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. Like if you haven't already, subscribe down below if you haven't, and also thank you for 500,000 subscribers.
Woohoo!
Crazy!
Fantastic!
I actually went a bit mental when I hit 500k, didn't I, Dad?
Brilliant.
I kind of like didn't know what to do, so thank you so much. I can't believe we're at 500,000. Yeah, we're more than 500,000 now.
And to think that when you first started...
I didn't even get 100 subscribers in a year.
How long did it take you? It took you 1 year.
1.5 years.
Yeah, to get 100 subscribers. So it just goes to show that...
and in August I hit 400,000.
And it just goes to show that...
if you have a dream and you're determined and persevere, that you can do whatever you want and can accomplish
never give up.
your dream.
Never give up. That's the moral of the story.
And you can accomplish anything that you dream of. So yeah, thank you guys so much. I won't be here without you. I love you guys to the moon and back, and we will see you very soon. Bye everyone.
Bye.
Woo!
Woohoo!
I'm going to go take this off right now.
No way.
Yes.
No, I think you should leave it on.